Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can redeem your IMVU gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.imvu.com/next. Once you do this, you will end up in its official website. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are logged in into your IMVU account. So once you are logged in into your account, all you need to do is click on the burger-like icon, and from there simply go down below and press on the buy credits option. So once you press on buy credits, you can find that there is a gift card redemption option. Now to simply redeem your gift card, you need to go there and type in your redemption code, which is on the back side of your card. After you are done, simply press on the redeem option and your IMVU gift card will be redeemed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.